Hey guys, it's Steve here. So I'm making a scribe so that I can scribe onto metal and kind of like engrave into it a little bit to keep fine lines right on the steel. My other one broke. Don't ask why, but I got it all lathe turned. I got it set up. I got it sharpened and pointed. So I want to add knurling right here. So if you don't know how knurling is added to anything, first I'm going to put my piece back in the machine. It's going to have quite a bit of stick out. This is, it's for the quick change tool post. It just slides right on this thing. But these cut the knurling into the piece. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to try to get a better view. And turn the lathe on. Ooh. And I don't know if you can see the bearings going, but then I just kind of run it across. And now I've got something to grip when I scribe. I still have to harden it, but there you go.